could see with me, the pronunciation of the English alphabets is not so difficult at all, but it's so easy. So what are we going to do now? We're going to see examples with each letter. Are you ready? So let's start. A, apple. B, ball. C, car. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, game. H, hat. I, ice cream. J, juice. K, king. L, lion. M, mother. N, nurse. O, orange. P, pen. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, teacher. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, water. X, X-rays. Y, yellow. Z, zebra. Okay, so that's all what we have for today. I hope you have learned how to pronounce the English alphabets. Exactly. So, see you next time with my new video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.